Intel got a boost on Friday. Shares rose over 3% and the stock was the best performing Dow component. The semiconductor company was in the spotlight on Friday and got a ratings upgrade. As the week wrapped up, the company's latest moves were digested and praised. Jefferies upped its rating to buy from hold on Intel with the price target raised to $30 a share. This week has been an eventful one for Intel. The company held its annual developers conference in San Francisco and made it clear that its focus is on mobile. Intel introduced new hardware for tablet devices. Bay Trail is a new mobile system on a chip that boasts impressive performance. The processor is aimed to compete in the Main Street tablet market and support Android and Windows 8 devices. Intel also announced that it is shuttering its oldest manufacturing plant. The Hudson, Massachusetts plant will be closed by the end of 2014, with 700 jobs being slashed. Most of the chips manufactured at the facility are deemed outdated by the company. The world's biggest chip maker is expected to retain 850 workers at its R&D facility in Massachusetts.